Welcome to week 3 of Stock Roulette, where I blindly try to beat the stock market in 2021 by investing $50 every week into a stock from my top 10 list of that week. I just load them into pickrandom.com and give her a spin. Above me are the primary industries that I research for investing, and if you missed the first video for this concept, I have it linked in the above card as well as the description below. All right, let's get into our spin. Okay, here we go. NNDM, oh crap, they just had an offering yesterday. Nano Dimensions, ticker NNDM. I added this to my top 10 list this week for many reasons. Nano Dimensions is a leader in the highly promising 3D printing electronics industry with their Dragonfly product. And the coronavirus has only accelerated the demand for 3D printing because the supply chains have been hit really hard last year. This company has the opportunity to disrupt the massive printed circuit board market, which is currently the backbone of many electronic devices. On January 3rd, their stock surged because of a US patent that was granted titled Rigid Flexible Printed Circuit Board Fabrication Using Inkjet Printing. And while they were flying high, they did another offering for 35 million ADS at a price target of $9.50 a piece. So there was about a $1 pullback on the price, closing on Friday at $10.44 a share. They have had 5 offerings in the last 7 weeks, all higher prices than the last. Shortly after, the stocks rose higher each time, and a lot more eyes are shifting to the stock in recent months. The PCB market is worth roughly $60 billion, and if Nano Dimensions manages to gain even a small foothold in this industry, this company could see far more upside. And they estimate that they're about 2 years ahead of the competition. Now, this is a very early play on investing in this type of technology. It may take a while for the industry to transition from 2D PCBs to 3D PCBs. But hey, this stock surged 353% in the past year, and even though it's in the early stages, this is technology here to stay, and it may be one to take out a long position in. Okay, are you ready for the cherry on top? ARK started investing into them a few weeks back. They have since had what feels like 1 trillion offerings in the last year, and actually just had their last one a couple days ago. Now, I'm filming this video on Friday the 15th, and remember that the markets are closed on Monday for Martin Luther King holiday. I also follow ARK ETFs closely for some of my research, and they have been gobbling up this stock. Here's my crazy little speculation. Check out the SEC filings for their new space exploration fund, ARK-X. In the fine print, you can see 3D printing in the paperwork. Now, I'm not saying they're gonna buy more shares of Nano Dimensions, but they seem to really like it. In the last couple days, they've added like 500,000 shares in Nano in 2 funds, ARK-Q and ARK-W. Now, there are 4 rules to this game, and I have them listed down below in the description, as well as my week top 10 list for this week. Last couple weeks, we had BFT and BNGO, and in the last 2 weeks, we've had a 20% gain so far, exceeding the average 10%. Let's hope we can keep this going. Remember, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Do not invest anything without doing your own due diligence. Lastly, if you haven't started investing yourself yet, you can open up a free account on Robinhood or on Webull. I have linked below in the description. We are actually filming this on Friday the 15th because the markets are closed Monday with Martin Luther King Jr. holiday. Let's go ahead and make the purchase. NNDM. Okay, so here we go. Buy, market. We got $5 or 5 quantity here. That'll get us $52 worth, which will be right around our $50 mark. And let's place order. There we go. Order's in. Okay, so here's our portfolio since we started on the first 2 trades we made from BNGO and BFT. And then here we are at NNDM. So as you can see, this is our current percent change. The goal here is to be over 10 or 12% at the end of the year. So this is just kind of keeping a track on that. In the meantime, we got a huge pop in BNGO on some news shortly after we filmed. So we're up 22% on that alone, which is amazing and a good head start. So we're gonna play this and see how it goes next week. I have another stock to keep on the radar coming here in a couple days, so please smash that like button if you guys found some value in this video, and consider subscribing to the channel. I have a whole lot more coming your way.